Elliott just got done taking the ice off of the mirrors on the car because they were frozen, and now we're gonna go get something to eat because we're starving. We haven't ate since like 3 in the morning.
I haven't ate since like 3 days ago, so I'm dying.
Okay, so we just booked a couples massage for later on today, and right now we're on our way to the aquarium. So
yeah, and I'm trying to stay not blind and pay attention to the GPS while she's sitting here having a blast with the camera. Made it to the aquarium. I feel a whole lot better. I got some food in me, and I know we're gonna get a massage in a few hours. Boy, it's gonna feel good. And I can't wait to see this one react to it because she ticklish as hell. We finna go in here and I'm finna throw her in the tank. See if she get eaten by a shark. Shark gonna be full as fuck. Man, he's just having a blast, ain't he? Grab one. Stick your head in there. Inside the water now.
Look at that big fish right there.
Oh, look at this one, right up top. Oh yeah, right here, babe. Look, you can see it smiling at us.
These supposed to be some piranhas. Here.
you better
We're
not.
gonna see what these piranhas are about.
Elliott.
Some punk that nigga in his own environment.
Charlie, go back to the window. Go to the window.
Oh, you about to pee?
Oh, he's taking it down. Hold on, Emily. I'm just gonna take a picture of that. That's hilarious. That's dumb.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, let me stop. Did you get that on film?
Yeah. I got her saying, oh, it's a dump.
She's one of the oldest types of animals on the planet. Her kind were here before dinosaurs. She's asleep.
Now that urchin, try touching it on the body between the spines and hold your fingers still there for a while.
I just touched that.
You feel it moving?
I need me some stingrays one day as a pet. We found a stingray.
No, it's right there. Someone's gonna eat it. Let's see it. See it?
Oh, oh. Oh, he's trying to eat me. He wants food. I think we're gonna get us one of these, what do you call it? What do you call it? Caricatures? Hold on. I think we're gonna try to get us one of those. We've been meaning to get one, so I think we're gonna try it now. Depending on how long it takes.
Alrighty, thank you, you too.
What's your name? Patricia. Patricia, thank you, Patricia. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Patricia did a real good job. Did y'all see the way that looks?
Like she did my necklace.
Dang! The detail in this thing is crazy.
She did use a shark.
I know she did a shark instead of my polo on my jacket. She did a shark. That's pretty cool, man. Honestly, people, they don't even look like me. She must have came up here and like with another guy and drew out something because that dude don't even look like me. I'm way more sexier in that picture, to be honest with you. I only, you know, did the whole, oh, good job, Patricia, because she was right in front of me. But that don't even look like me. Nah, I'm just joking. That looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. That's our first, what's it called? Characteristics? Whatever it's called. That looks good. I like it. Now we finna go hit up the Massage Envy and relax, and we're gonna get drunk first, and then we're gonna go over there and relax. Ain't that right? We lying, boy. Alright, we at the we're sitting outside the massage place, and I had stopped and picked up a bottle of red wine, and we finna get lit. Dayana really finna get lit. We finna feel good getting a massage. Dayana, she ticklish as hell. I don't know how she gonna do it, but we finna find out. This shit gonna be funny. Oh my god, y'all, that massage was great. It was just amazing. I got the deep tissue. We're here getting something to eat now before we head back. Waiting on her. All right, that's it, y'all. We're done. For today, we're done. The massage was great though, and the food was good after we ate after we got the massage. And what was your favorite part of the massage? I'm not gonna show her because she's on like
My head.
your head.
Yes, because I had a headache.
She had a headache. Mine was probably the feet, but I got a deep tissue massage. She got like a Swedish massage. So we have 50 Shades of Grey on. That's why you hear all that. I mean, it ain't getting down like that. We just, it just so happened to be on the free television. But that's pretty much it for tonight. And tomorrow we're gonna try to make it out to the mountains, the Rocky Mountains, and Breckenridge. So yeah, that's it.
Use the building evacuation plan.
Normally, you're supposed to exit the building, not record what's going on, but we about to leave anyways. Should we pack our stuff? Just in case it doesn't catch on fire? Nah, I don't know. Over.
I'm like, why doesn't it get the fire?
But it's currently the next morning, and it is snowing like crazy. Look how big the snowflakes are. See that? It is bad. She said, false alarm. Hell no. That's crazy as hell. Y'all see that? They got them babies out here half naked and shit. That baby had no socks on. I don't care if there's a fire. The first thing this thing said was, stay calm. Exit to the nearest. Shit, people gotta listen. I'm staying calm. If I don't hear nobody screaming and running out, it's a fire! I'm not going nowhere. Nowhere fast, at least. I need to put water on my ears.
It is snowing so hard and it is so pretty.
Yep.
But this goofball is over here trying to do donuts or whatever.
Now, anytime there's water, or if the ground's wet, or if there's snow or anything, I just want my hand on this e-brake because I want to hit the shit out of a fishtail, you know what I'm saying? But this shit's fun, man. I'm not gonna hurt nothing. Ain't nobody gonna get hurt. I know how to drive. Man, we just literally almost got stuck. We sat like what, 15, 20, about 10, 15 minutes trying to get out. Everybody was kind of stuck. And this itty bitty ass Kia got us out of there. It really is the driver. It's all about the driver. Just remember that. But we did. We got out. Now we going. And we gotta make sure. We're like 20 minutes away too. But it is bad out here. It is real bad. Y'all can see it. Look, show them how bad it is. But the thing is like, if you're going and you're driving, you can't slow down, and that's what's these idiots' problem. They start slowing down, and before you know it, you can't get no traction. You just gotta coast your shit all the way through. We already seen people getting towed like back. I don't know how the hell we're gonna get back. I don't know how we're gonna get back. I need to put my seatbelt on. Damn, it's bad as hell. Can't see nothing. I gotta pump the brakes because you can't hit the brakes because it's gonna slide. Oh shit. Oh.
Stop. Oh, fuck, babe.
Thought I was gonna hit the moves.
Like, on.
Yeah, like I can't. Shit. I'm gonna read that. We got the Joy, the 15-minute one. This is what we look like. It's oxygen. So we can breathe. The way I breathe in the mountains, you need oxygen. Me and her both are having trouble breathing. So we're pretty good too.
Okay, so we went to the O2 lounge to get some oxygen because we were feeling really out of breath, and that
Short
helped.
breath.
Yeah, that helped.
Yeah, that helped.
I guess for a little bit. I don't know. I still feel out of breath, but
They give you an option to do. They give you an option to do like 15, 30, or what was the other one? An hour or 45. And we did the 15-minute one, and you get to choose which what is it, aromatherapy you get to choose.
Yeah.
There's like 4
What's
different
that?
ones, and we chose the Joy, and that helped a little bit. As soon as we walked out though, we were like but I mean it helped a little bit. And now I mean, and then we went to go eat at this Mexican restaurant where our damn car is stuck, and but yeah, we're parked and we're stuck. We can't get out. Let me show y'all what we're waiting on. We can't get up this hill. We're sitting here waiting on Grandpa to see if he can help us. I think he's gonna be able to, but I don't know. He's a real rude old man, but hey, as long as he's helping, he's like taking his time. It's alright, man. We ain't got nowhere to go. Man, I plan on moving to Colorado, just not up in the mountains, because the snow up here is different from the snow in Denver. I mean, it gets crazy. It gets crazy in Denver, but it doesn't. I don't know. There's not so many damn slopes and hills. But yeah, and this little 2 front-wheel drive shit sucks, man. I need my damn truck. That's what I need. But right now we're stuck. If this doesn't work, we're waiting on the old man because he's in the way, and I don't want to hit his ass. Although he probably wants us to hit him because he'd be able to go home and get out of this damn cold. But if this don't work, I guess I'm gonna try to push it, and she's gonna drive. But oh man, we stuck. We stuck.
we stuck. Like the traffic sign. We stuck.
We're out. We got out. Some guys. It was crazy how it happened because some guy was trying to come down. He was like yelling at us, like, "No, go down, go down." He's like, "I'm about to get stuck." I was like, "Dude, I'm not going back," because we just like started making real good progress going up the hill. And I get out. I was like, "Dude, I'll help you push yours out if you help me push mine." He's like, "All right, cool." And then like 5 or 6 other guys came out of nowhere and helped us push it. I was like, "Where the hell were y'all like 3 hours ago?" But anyways, we're now at this like little skiing place, and we're gonna see if we can do these little, I forgot what these are called, but we're gonna see if we can try to get on one of those, see how much it costs. But I think they're pretty expensive. I don't know. But yeah, we're out. We're free. Now we get to explore Breckenridge without like any type of stress. Ready? Ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? What? Her aim? When did her aim become so good?
Yeah.
Can't breathe? Still can't breathe, huh? So that stuff worked just for a little bit, huh?
I guess so.
We should go do it before we leave.
Yeah. No.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Dayana. Let's go. Look at all this snow. Let's go. Look at all this snow. Bust a flow. Go ahead, bust a flow. Bust a snow flow. Bust a snow flow. You gotta bust a snow flow. Bust a snow flow.
What's a snow flow?
A flow in the snow.
Like a rap flow?
Yeah.
You first. There we are.
Oh. We out here and it's freezing. I'm not gonna bust a flow because I'm leaving. We in the little cable car. They call it the gondola. And it was free. Oh shit. Damn, it's just starting to speed up. Oh goddamn, is this a roller coaster? This kinda scary. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't be cussing like this. Damn. Look, dang. Y'all check this out. Views on views. Do Tootsie Roll real quick, babe.
A what?
Tootsie Roll. Oh yeah, you too young.
I don't know your language.
Smile.
Yeah. Wait, is he gonna take a picture?
Yeah. Sit. Go. Got some skiers. Don't get on this one. Do not get on this one. Do not get on this one. Look at them trees, son. Watch how fast this damn thing speeds up. Should I show them this one? I'm gonna show you this way. I'm gonna show you them taking off first. Look. They gone. Look how fast we finna take off. Watch. Watch. You gotta start hanging on. You start speeding up for no reason. We stopped at the scenic view and it's freezing. Huh? It's freezing like crazy, but we got some good Instagrams. Oh! Jesus Christ. There's like this thumping sound as we slow down, and that's what that shit is. It's cold. We heading back to Denver. Alright, we're back in Denver. We made it safe. And we had stopped to see, I don't know if y'all know, me and Dayana been watching Dr. Jeff. It's like a veterinarian show. And we stopped by his little clinic. He's based off of he's based in Colorado, so that's what he makes most of his seasons on. And that's it right there. Yep. And now I guess we're just about to go eat, find something to eat. What do you feel like eating? We're probably gonna eat that. I don't know. We're probably gonna eat and then we're gonna go drop this car off and then go back to the hotel and rest and get ready to go back home tomorrow. We just left Cheesecake Factory. It was good as hell. And now we out here on 16th Street Mall getting snowed on. Again, it's snowing again. We're gonna find out what we can get into real quick before we have to take the car back. Alright, we made it home after being on many different planes, but we went all the way up to Minneapolis and came down back to Fort Worth, and now we're home. We got us something to eat. We reunited with little Elliott and little Chino. Ain't that right, Chino? Ain't that right? He wants to be outside in the yard, and we got us some Mexican food because we're hungry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That was our weekend. And we did miss this little guy. Yep, that's it. Until next time.